When I was thinking about what I wanted to do with this show home, I was thinking about how I wanted to feel in the space, and I really wanted it to be just elegant and timeless. Hi, I'm Suzanne. I'm a senior interior designer and product development specialist here at Showhome. This morning we are in the beautiful Vilano II show home down in the new community of Creekview. The unique thing about this specific show home is that we've actually done a 10-foot ceiling on the main floor and a 9-foot ceiling upstairs. So this really makes it feel grand, so much more spacious, and I just love the airy feeling of it. There's a few things in this house that really stand out to me. One of my favorites is the fireplace. So I did a full height stone fireplace. It's just really classic colored, nice and light, but brings a little bit of warmth to the space. And then the kitchen has this amazing black leathered granite. I love the texture in it. It feels organic, really natural. I love the 3/4 shaker on the cabinet. So that's like a regular shaker style, but a little bit more narrow. It just adds a little bit of extra detail. Also in the kitchen, instead of under cabinet lighting, I actually put these two really pretty sconce lights beside the hood fan. So the hood fan I cladded in the same material as the upper cabinetry, so it just really continues across nicely. And then there's that little break with this pop of light with these sconces, and they have a little bit of a marble look to them. So that I thought just turned out stunning. I love those. And then again, the island with the leathered countertop on it is just an amazing showpiece. The primary bedroom in this home is a great size. It has an awesome ensuite. In the ensuite, I chose to do a marble look tile everywhere, so it's super elegant, and then I've added a really pretty herringbone feature wall that goes up full height behind the vanity, and some really pretty arched mirrors as well, so it just adds a little bit of detail. And that's something that we can design with you when you come to our selection studio to do your appointment with us. I chose to do black lighting throughout this home, and I love how that turned out. It just adds a little bit of a pop. But most of the fixtures I chose were quite slight or a little bit more slender in style. So I love that they add that little bit of darkness, a little bit of depth to the space, but they're not overbearing. I love this model because we have a great size office or bedroom space on the main floor, a full bathroom on the main floor, and then we have 2 secondary bedrooms and a primary bedroom upstairs as well. Thanks for joining us on our tour today, and please come down to visit us in person. The show home is located at 1221 Creekview Drive.